Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to create an Instagram ad through Business Meta Suite. So as we all know that all the ads are created through Business Meta Suite for promotion, and if you're interested in one creating, then I'll show you how easily you could do it. So first you just have to simply log in with your Meta Business Suite account, and once you're there, this will be the first homepage or the first interface that you will see. Now here we have different options. So every option has its own purpose that it performs in this platform. Now from all these options you have to click on this one which is create ad, and then we have to click on this Instagram one because we want to create on Instagram. Then it will show you all your Instagram posts. You have to choose the one that you would like to promote or use as an ad. And after that you have to just simply set up a few things. First, you have to select the button label that appears on your post. There are different sort of ones available, so you can choose from there. I have only one available, therefore I'm choosing it. But if you have different, you can choose them as well. So this one is for the real estate and something related to it. So if your product is related to it, you can choose from there. If not, then you can skip this one. Then you have to create an audience. If you had any audience saved before, you can also use it, but if you want to create a new one, you can also do it. First you have to give it a name, then you have to choose the gender and the age. After that you have to choose a location, like where you want your ad to appear, like in which country. If you want multiple countries, you can also choose it as per your choice, and then just simply save it. And after that you have to add the interest. So interest is all about what sort of people you want to target, what are their interests. If someone is interested in clothing, jeans, shirt, any brand, you can add them here. So if when someone is interested in those brands and product, your ad will be shown to them, and there are different kind of categories. You can just simply select as per your product's need, and after that you have successfully created the audience for your promotion or your ad. After that you have to do the budgeting, like you have to set your daily limit and how long you want the ad to run, and at the end you have to add your payment method, and after that just simply run the ad. So that's how it all works. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. And thank you so much for watching the video till the very end.